Hello guys, this is Steven. Nice to see you again. Today I would like to introduce you a new SD card mobile DVR B6S41T. Okay, this is the package of the mobile DVR. Okay, you can see it is very compact size. The MDVR and accessories are all put in this package. Okay, now let's see what's inside. Okay, inside of it, here is the power cable and the sensor cable. Okay, here is the compact size MDVR. This is the screws. Here is the keys, and we have a mouse for you. Okay, let's look at this interface and ports. Okay, in the front panel, okay, you can see here is the USB port, here's the debug port, here's the IRs, okay, and here is the slot for SD card. Okay, for this model we have a built-in 128 gigabytes industrial SD card. Okay, let's put it inside. Okay, unlock it. Okay. For this USB, we can use USB flash to export the data, or you can put the mouse to control the MDVR. Okay, let's look at this real panel. In real panel, okay, you can see here is the port for the 4 sensor, 4 alarm in. Okay, look at this. Okay, you can put it here. Okay. Here is the VGA output. Okay, and here is the 4 ports for the cameras. Okay, here is the port for power cable. Okay, you can put it here. Okay, and the red for the positive, yellow for ACC, and the black for ground. Okay, that's the introduction of the interface and ports. Thank you. Okay, now let's put the MDVR on this model truck to show you how it works. Okay, we made a truck made of 4 cameras and monitor, and we just install the MDVR here. Okay, you can see. Okay, now you can see these 4 cameras on the monitor. Okay, this is the rear camera, this is the left camera, right camera, and front camera. Okay, so it monitors 360 degrees of the whole truck. Okay, now I will tell you some main features and functions of this MDVR. First, I will show you the reverse line. Okay, the reverse line can be set in the software. Okay, you can see here real camera. Okay, now the real camera is set to channel 1. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, and okay, and then you connect the sensor cable to the real signal. Okay, real term signal. Okay, let's show how it works. Okay, I will trigger a reverse. Okay, you can see here the reverse line. Okay, the second function I will show you is the sensor cable collection and trigger. Okay, we can collect you can see here, this is the left side camera, right side camera, and we can collect the sensor cable to the left turn signal, right turn signal, and we can and when we trigger it, okay, and channel will zoom. Okay, let's see. Okay, first I will show you the left side camera. Okay, okay, you can see. Okay, next I will show you the right turn. Okay, you can see the right turn, the right side camera zoom. Okay. Okay, feature 3 is that it has a built-in super capacitor in the MDVR. Super capacitor, the function of super capacitor is that it can save the valuable data when there is a sudden power off in case of accident, crash, or etc. Okay, so let's see how it works. Okay, and save the and avoid the lose of the data. Okay, now I will power off the MDVR and you can see. Okay, you can see it still works. Okay, 5, 6 seconds, 7 seconds. Okay, it's about 6 or to 10 seconds to save the data. The next features I will show you is the power management. Okay, you can see here, basic power on off. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can see here for 12 vehicles, for 24 vehicles, shut voltage 8, and the power voltage 8.5. Okay, for 24 voltage vehicles, shut volt is 16 and the power voltage is 18 in default, and you can set by yourself of this. Okay, this function is for your power management. So when the battery is too low, and MDVR can shut automatically. Okay, this is the main features I show you today, and for more features, functions of this mobile DVR, you can contact with us. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.